Hey everyone, in today's guide, I'll show you how to add a 1099-G form in TurboTax. This form is usually used to report unemployment income or certain government payments, so it's important to enter it correctly. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website. Once you're there, click on the Sign In option and enter your login details to access your account. After signing in, you'll land on the TurboTax homepage. From there, navigate to the Federal section to continue. Next, click on Wages and Income to view your income sources. Scroll through the list or use the search bar and type 1099-G to quickly find the form. Once you locate it, select the Unemployment option associated with the 1099-G form. Then click on the Start button to begin entering your details. Now, carefully enter all the required information from your 1099-G form. Take your time to make sure everything is accurate. After entering the details, review everything again to double-check for any errors. When you're satisfied, continue with the process. Keep in mind that TurboTax may ask you to upgrade your plan to complete this section, so be prepared if that comes up. And that's it. You've successfully added your 1099-G form in TurboTax. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.